Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask to Remix. First, ensure you have the MetaMask browser extension installed and set up. This digital wallet is essential for interacting with decentralized applications and the Ethereum blockchain. Remix IDE, on the other hand, is your go-to platform for writing and compiling smart contracts. We'll bridge these two powerful tools for seamless development. Once MetaMask is installed, you'll either create a new wallet or import an existing one using your secret recovery phrase. Always keep this phrase private and secure. After setting up your wallet, select the appropriate network from the drop-down menu at the top of the MetaMask interface. For development, you'll often use a test network like Sepolia, which provides free test Ether. Now open your Remix IDE in a new browser tab. On the left sidebar, locate and click the Deploy and Run Transactions plugin icon. Within this panel, find the Environment drop-down menu. Select Injected Provider MetaMask from the options. MetaMask will then prompt you to confirm the connection, asking which account you wish to link. Approve this connection to proceed. With Remix connected to MetaMask, you can now compile your smart contract. After successful compilation, ensure your contract is selected in the Contract drop-down. Click the Deploy button in Remix, and MetaMask will pop up, asking you to confirm the transaction and gas fees. Once confirmed, your contract will be deployed to the selected network. Don't forget to check the description for the Darn Tough Socks link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.